Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here, and today I'm sharing with you this very simple and easy to make Pili Pili ya Kukaanga recipe or Kenyan style hot sauce, a condiment that goes with any dish, very popular in coastal Kenya. So Pili Pili ya Kukaanga is all about the heat, and today I'm using these hot pepper chilies. The label says they come from Dominican Republic. If you are in Kenya, you can use any hot chilies that are available. You can also use Thai buds available here in US. Here I have some peppers, I have a carrot, some tomatoes, brown sugar. This balances the flavors very well, ginger and garlic, some chopped cilantro, an onion, lemon, and I'm also going to add some cumin and coriander to go with it, and garam masala. So first things first, chop all these vegetables. I'm going to use just about a half of these peppers. Always remember to put on gloves when you are working with hot peppers. Just take out the tips. Put them in this container and just run them through some cold water. Peppers all clean, just put them back onto the board and just cut them roughly. Seeds, everything. Just like so. Put them back. Slice one onion. I'll leave this right on the table. Slice all the peppers. Grate about a cup of this peeled carrot. And then roughly chop these tomatoes. This is done. Onto the stove. Now, into this sauce pot, add about half a cup brown sugar and start caramelizing it. This is a step you want to be very careful with, not to burn the sugars. Once the caramel starts forming, this is a stage that goes very fast. So you want to keep an eye on it. Once this caramel turns dark, I want to quickly add the vegetables, the onions, the peppers, everything. This will help to stop the sugar from caramelizing further. So give it a stir. So you'll notice at first the sugar crystallizes, but as it continues to heat, it's going to melt back. So no worries. So I'll finish adding all these vegetables. I'll add in a bunch of ginger, garlic. Add the hot peppers. And saute these just so slightly. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil. A teaspoon of garam masala. Teaspoon cumin and coriander. Add salt, black pepper, a heaping of chopped cilantro and scallions. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box as always. So this is a balance between hot, sweet and acidity. I'm going to add about a half a cup of rice wine vinegar, about a cup of water, and now all I need to do is just bring these to a boil. Lower the heat and cook it on very low until all these vegetables cook down and the juices have reduced slightly. It's also a good time to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you're already liking this video. I'm adding a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give it a turn so it doesn't burn at the bottom due to the sugars. The only thing I remembered to add were bay leaves, give it that earthiness. Put the lid back, continue cooking. It's been about an hour total. Time to check on our Pili Pili ya Kukaanga. All the water, the vinegar, they have evaporated and you're left with this nice and smooth with all the vegetables still intact. Time to pull out the bay leaves. They've done their job. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Finish with a heaping of cilantro and scallions. Give this a good stir to mix everything all together. Then just finish with a good amount of olive oil. One extra step that you can do with this Pili Pili ya Kukaanga, take some of this Pili Pili into the container, just a good amount. And then using the hand blender or your regular blender, just blend this. So friends, there you have it. My version of Kenyan hot sauce or Pili Pili ya Kukaanga. A very versatile condiment that you can do and add to any of your dishes. Perfect for soups, perfect for making a sauce for your sandwiches. It goes a long way. This keeps well in the fridge for 2 weeks, or you can even freeze it. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember, please subscribe, comment, and leave me a like. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.